Okay, so this is another video. This is the session profile and session policy creation for web and receiver. Um, you will need this to check out this video before because I will create another video for the gateway, Citrix gateway creation, and I did split the configuration in multiple videos. So so far I've done a video for the storefront load balancing. I've done a video for the authentication part, and now I will do a video with the session profile and session policies, and the last video would be the actual gateway creation and the binding of all those components into the gateway so that we can make it functional. Okay, so let's start. So for this, so we are doing now the session profiles. So let's go back on the Citrix gateway. And here under 1 second. Also under policies and then session. And if we go up, we have the session profiles. I will first create the session profiles and then the policies. Just go with add, give it a name. I will give it, let me think of a name. I will say gate web. So the first is the web session profile web profile, so that I know what it is. Session profile. Okay, so in the first tab, network configuration, we leave it everything by default. In the client experience, we should check the clientless, the advanced clientless VPN mode, so this one we should set it to disable, and the plugin type here to Java. I did see some videos that also made by Citrix that the plugin type should be Windows Mac OS, but I also found in an article, also Citrix article, that the plugin type should be Java. So I will go with Java, and here single sign on, first override and single sign on. And for this one it's done. Under security, override global and allow, and under published application, so we are not going under advanced settings, we don't need to go under advanced settings. And here under published application, this should be on. Here you should have your storefront receiver page, and because we are using a load balancer, we will have the load balancer, and but that is also configured. So we just basically just take the, but just to remind you, this is This address is the load balancer, so it has behind it two storefronts. But in my videos you will see that what I've configured. So storefront Tesla, okay, and single sign on domain. It's testlab.com. Okay, and I believe in the other two, tabs, nothing is changed. Okay, we leave everything by default. Just go with create. Okay, so we named it Gate Web Session Profile, and we need to create a new one. And I will give it Gate Receiver. Session Profile, okay. Here also the first networking tab will leave like this. Here under Client Experience, split tunnel should be off. Not this one, split tunnel off. Clientless access should be on. And advanced VPN disabled in Java. Okay. Single sign on and override. That's also fine. Okay. Let's go to the security tab. Here is allow. It took the settings from the other session profile. So this is why you already have them checked. But here we need to change. Because here we only need without the page, without the store. So we just need the store from tesla.com, and below this is also okay, tesla.com, and here the account service address. Here we need to overwrite with Citrix roaming accounts. 1 second, so I have to take this plus Citrix roaming accounts. Okay, looks good. Remote desktop, those other two we do not touch. So looks good. And then we go click create. Okay, so we have our profiles. Now we need to create the policies. And again, I will give it a name, web session policy. And here we need to select the corresponding session policy. So I'm going with, I'm first creating the web session policy, and it selected the correct one because this is the first one. So it doesn't know what I want to do. It just selected the first one. You will see in the next video that in the next session policy that we have to change that. So the expression for this is looking like this, and we just have to leave it as advanced and click create. And now we need to create a Okay, you see that it copied uh, the configuration from the last one. Let's go with close because I'm selecting this. So if you select this and you click add, it will take all the settings from the other policy. This also happened here. I accidentally selected it and clicked add, and then it takes all the settings. Okay, let's not take any setting and just click add. And this one should be named receiver. Receiver session policy. Okay, and we have to select the receiver profile so we do not mess them up. Okay, and for this, it's basically the same expression, but without the word .not. It's they are thinking very strange, so yeah, never mind. So create. Okay, so we have the session policies and the session profiles. Okay, so we've done what we wanted in this video. And you see here my in my picture that is the session profile is directly impacted by the storefront load balance and configuration. So we don't have to bind anything, but as you saw, we are using the load balancer in the configuration. So this is why I have drawn this arrow because wait, where is it? In the session profile, in the published application here, we are using this is the load balancer. So this is not the storefront. This is the load balancer, and behind this load balancer we have the two storefronts. Okay, so let's go back. So for this video, I'm done, and in the next video, I will create the gateway and bind all those configurations. Thank you for watching.